This is a video of my 1991 Yamaha Exciter now. Hasn't been probably ran in about 2-3 weeks. Engine was just rebuilt at the beginning of this year. Nice and clean, everything. Pipe repainted. It's rained lately, so it's all rusty over there on the pipe. And I guess I'll do a cold start of it. Doesn't usually start up too bad. It's got a bender pipe on it too. I don't know what's in for crap. Very clean. Well, not very, but it's pretty clean. Except for the whole pipe there. And that's about it for this video. Maybe my next video will be of 250 Enticer, but it's being worked on right now. And that's about it.